Guys, massive, and watch this. It's gonna glow in. Okay, so you guys can see it right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna get all things that don't come in blue. I don't know why it's not doing it. I don't know, but probably because we need bigger ones. Ours together a lot. You can talk to them when I'm doing this method. Huh? You can talk to them when I'm doing this. Okay, guys, and I'm here with Melanie, and guess what? I got my own channel now. So, yeah. Like, it's kind of weird because today was my first time doing my channel on St. Patrick's Day, and because I downloaded a thing where you can do your channels, and I did a channel and it worked. I cannot believe it worked, guys. I was like so excited. And now I'm gonna watch her videos and she's gonna watch my videos. Melanie, what's your channel name called? Melanie Tube double times. Like 2 times you have to say Melanie Tube, Melanie. I did, but it didn't work. So just click Melanie Tube songs. Okay. So, yeah. Like, today's St. Patrick's Day. Like, how fun is that, huh, Melanie? And whoever's not wearing green may get a pinch. So, if you guys are not wearing green, if you guys are wearing green, comment down below. Right? Sorry guys, like I'm just cleaning up. Because my dad said I have to, so I'm just listening to directions. And guys, we actually are teenagers. She's 8 and I'm 9. Guys, I'm not that as a teenager. I'm just like 9. I'm kind of like a teenager because we're close. We're close, I think. You want to help me do this after me? Grab all of this. Excuse me, Nancy. It's gonna start in a minute. Guys, we might do a party somewhere. Guys, it's almost gonna blow. Maybe. We don't know for sure it's gonna blow or not. Right? Yeah. Almost done, guys. Guys, my hands are like really tired. Okay, ready, guys? Okay, I'll do this right here. Can I do it? Which works. See the fog, guys? Like the fog's in my hair too. And it's on my body. She can hold the camera like this on vacuum. Just kidding. You can talk to them. Okay, guys, so okay. So guys, there's like some stuff on like the little things on the camera too, but you guys can't see it because it's not like by you. Like we're almost done with the porch, but like sweeping it and stuff, and like yeah, some. Guys, here's the blizzard watch. You ready?
Woo! actually a blizzard. So, yeah. And I don't know. Today's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm wearing green. You can see the green. And comment down below if you guys are wearing green. If you guys don't, I'm gonna come and beat you. We're almost done.
You guys ready for the blizzard? Just vacuuming up. Not actually vacuuming, but sweeping. Okay, ready guys? I'm about to do the blizzard. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! So that was the blizzard guide.
So guys, I think we're about a little bit done. I don't want to do it. Your name and turn. It's fine. Okay, guys, I'm not that done. So I'm super tired. I don't need to be so. Guys, want to say something? I've been listening again. Nobody really cares. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this.
Okay. Like, can't see me.
Wait.
So,
Yeah, it is.
so you guys go like this, and then I'll show you guys a magic drink.
You're right. It's not a magic trick.
Well, it's not a magic drink, but it's
Stop
just
talking like that. Okay. Just gonna say the. You're not listening to me. So make sure to subscribe, give a big thumbs up. I was mentioning you guys to say this. Make sure to subscribe, give a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys ever have been with your friends and they're like so bored, right? Okay. Make sure to turn off or
notifications.
turn on.
Our notifications.
So you guys will be notified anytime we post something new. Bye. Cause I'm tired of the middle. Show me what you're made of in a make believe.